Interactive Advisors app. The pros, the cons. Interactive Advisors is designed to combine automated investing with personal advisory support. But does it deliver real value? Starting with the pros first. Hybrid model. You get algorithm-driven portfolio management along with optional advisor support. Second, goal-focused planning. The platform helps you define and track financial objectives with clear projections and recommendations. Third, low minimums. You can start investing with modest amounts, making it accessible to a wider audience. Now, the cons. 1. Drawback: fees. While lower than traditional advisors, costs can add up, particularly for high balances. Another con: limited product range. Most investments focus on ETFs and mutual funds, restricting access to individual stocks or alternative assets. The surprising truth? Interactive Advisors works best for users seeking guidance with some automation, but it's not ideal for active traders who want full control. In short, the pros: hybrid support, goal tracking, and low minimums make it suitable for beginners or cautious investors. The cons: fees and limited options reduce appeal for advanced investors.